lots of toys, all for the little.
Hi everybody, this is the first day of December. I really didn't want to record this, but I was like, you know, let me just record it. I look a mess, and I'm actually just getting well. I'm just recovering from being sick and a whole lot of things, but I'm feeling better now and I'm fine. I can talk very well. Yo, that is the best feeling ever. Like, I can talk. You will not understand, but yeah, I was like, okay, let me just record this. You know, there might be somebody out there that, you know, wants to get a very, very expensive Christmas tree, a flocked Christmas tree to be precise, but don't have the money for it. So I'm just gonna show you guys this. I have my Christmas tree now for about almost 3 years. I got it from Target when they were having a sale or something. By the way, my Christmas tree is 7.5 feet tall. So I got it from Target for about $60 or something like that. That's a bargain. So I've been using the Christmas tree, and you know, it never disappoints. This year I was like, I'm gonna change it. Then I was like, you know what, let me see, because I really want a flock tree. So I went on Amazon and bought fake ice, fake snow. They call it flock. I think this is the flock. Right there, flock in the box. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box. I did the free shipping because I did it before December. So, but if you don't want to wait, you can do like 2-day shipping. I think it's $7 or something. And the snow itself was $32 or something like that. Compared to buying a flock tree, it's like it's 7.5 feet. It's like almost $175. Nope. So this is my tree right now. Let me show you guys. I've done the first layer right there. This is the second layer. I just put it on top of here, and then the third layer is over there. The first one is the one I just did. So really, what you really want to do is, this is the second layer, like I said. So all I did was I stretched the branches and like put them where they're supposed to be. So you get a spray bottle. If you have a bigger one, it's better. This is what I have, so I'm just gonna use it like this. You want to spray the tree. Spray. Make sure there's like a lot of water, like a lot. That's the only way the flock is gonna stay on the tree. Make sure you spray. Just keep spraying. And then once you're done, I had a little measuring cup here, but it wasn't really helping, so I decided to use my hand. So what you're gonna do is take some snow, some flock, get your spray bottle and flock it, like spray, just sprinkle it on the tree, and while sprinkling it, you spray the water in it. That's the way it's gonna stay. So I'm gonna leave my camera right now and I'm gonna show you. This is the snow, the flock. You pretty much just do this. Spray and spray and spray and spray. And when you're done, just sprinkle a little water. And then you keep going, and then you come back to it. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like once I'm done with this other part. Guys, I'm done with the second layer. This is what it looks like. I'm giving it about 10 minutes for it to dry a little bit before I put the last top layer on top of it. If I'm not really talking very well, because I think I spoke too loud before, and my mouth is starting to hurt because I have stitches in my mouth. So but this is it right now. As you guys can see, it's so nice. As you guys can see, I can't really decorate the Christmas tree tonight because I'm gonna leave it for 24 hours for the flock to stick on the tree. But this is what it looks like right now. I don't like this lighting because it's not really like giving it the justice that it needs. It's not really giving it the balm the way I'm looking at it right now. But yeah, so that's what it looks like. I'm gonna do the last layer, which is what goes on. So I'm finally done with the top part. This took me about 3 hours because it started around like 12 a.m. and it's like 2:53 right now. So I'm just giving it the last spray. Once you're done putting all the snow or the flunk on the tree, you just want to spray around with some water. Just spray, and that should be it. Like once you're done spraying, you are good to go. Alright guys, there you have it, your vlog Christmas tree right there. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. If you have an opinion, leave it in the comment section. I will always read it and reply to you guys.